Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Fun with Navy, and today we're going to be making 3-ingredient fluffy slime. It's gonna get messy. The fun things you will need are glue, shaving cream, contact solution, and this is optional, but you can use glitter and food coloring. Today I have neon food coloring. You will also be needing a spatula and a big bowl to contain the slime. The last fun thing you'll need is a parrot. Okay, Mom, what is the first thing we need to do to make the 3-ingredient fluffy slime?
Ingredient number 1, glue.
Do you dump this whole thing in?
Yeah, dump the whole thing in.
And just kind of see?
We have, what, is it a quart altogether? Quart of
With
glue.
the
Go
two?
for it. Yeah, yeah.
The two?
You do one, I'll do the other.
Oh, we should have been doing it at the same time.
Whoa.
Is this gonna be all? This is gonna be even.
Oh.
It's farting! Keep it in the container. Little tip.
Also, wear clothes you don't mind getting a little messy.
Which she has not done. Just kidding.
Okay.
Need to get every last bit of glue.
Oh. I think I got most of it.
Oh, there's a big chunk that just came out. See? It's not a whole.
Okay, you ready?
You don't put every last bit.
Once you're done with the glue and have every last little drop out, what comes next?
Food coloring.
Food coloring. Or if you're using glitter, this is when you'll add the glitter in.
Once you've added your food coloring, it's time to mix it in. Look at that. I could just leave it like this, just kidding. You need to mix it in all the way. Oh, it looks so pretty. This is a work of art.
Here, let me see, I wanna try.
Ooh, it's like this light blue. Once you get your right color, then you should move on.
True.
Oh, I added 2. Next, what do we do? The shaving cream?
The shaving cream.
Do we take this off or no? Is that
Yeah,
attached?
you take the lid off.
Just shake it.
Oh, wait.
Shake it up. There you go.
Let's work out. Can the camera hear this?
Don't fall.
Again, like I did.
I know.
More?
Yeah.
More?
Yeah.
Almost every week when I'm talking with my friends, I somehow get to work in, I have my own YouTube channel.
It is pretty cool. You
Yeah.
make fun videos.
Fun with Navy. And it actually like rose.
Yeah, it's like,
This is a bucket of slime. Could I take a bath in this?
no.
Could I take a feet massage in this?
That might feel good, actually.
Plans for tonight.
Okay, so when we get to the contact solution, which let's go ahead and
Can we
add
open
some of that.
this?
Not for kids to handle.
Oh, okay.
This definitely you want the adult to do this part. You just want to be careful with it. Make sure your kiddos wash their hands before and after playing with the slime. Guess which part of the Borax I'm thinking of.
Marshmallow?
You okay?
And now I glow.
Yeah.
I just went swimming and now I glow. Because of the water, it's horrible.
Yeah.
After you think it's about a good consistency, just to finish the slime, make it a little bit better, knead it with your hands. It'll help it just finish it off. Obviously, you're gonna be playing with it, but just so you know.
Just get both hands in there and start kneading it.
I got it.
Still.
Oh my goodness, this is amazing.
Oh my gosh, this stuff is messy.
It's nice and cool. Like on a summer day, just come here to your slime bowl.
Knead it like bread.
I don't know how to knead bread. Never kneaded.
Bring it together and fold it and fold it.
Does this
Just
work?
work it. I think if you just
Work it. This is part of playing with it, the kneading.
You know what this reminds me of?
What?
It reminds me of 101 Dalmatians when Cruella de Vil falls in that pit of the molasses and she comes out and she's like,
She can't breathe though. Put it back, Mom.
what have I done? Look at her hands.
I honestly think we should add more shaving cream. Add it onto my hands.
Since this is already kind of a science experiment.
Yay, I get to play with it. I think this is helping. It is.
Yeah,
it's
it
helping.
is. It's better. So
More,
the more shaving cream,
the better.
the better, in our opinion. That's how we like our slime.
Thank you, Mom, for all the help you've given.
You're welcome.
Thank you for helping with all the stuff for this ooey gooey slime. High five. Please,
Nubs.
please,
Nubs.
please, please, please.
All right, what the heck?
Yay!
Okay.
She has
Who
to
are you
wash
going to
her
invite to
face.
come play with you?
My brother. Come on, Dax, get messy! It's gonna be messy. I told you. This is a very messy slime, so I really do suggest every time you play with it, get on a shirt that you don't care about. Not necessarily don't care about, just don't mind getting a little dirty.
I want to do my fart noise. Hey, what are you
Wait, I would just want to take it off. That was my fart noise.
No, that was mine. It's not even your turn.
Okay, let's see who can pick up the most slime.
Okay.
You go first.
Hey, I got
Okay, put it back, put it back, put it back. Did you see how much that was? Great.
Oh, it's touched your shirt.
Oh,
Let's do it again. Let's do it. No.
we are so messy. Like, so messy. This is gonna be
I
fun.
want to do it again. Let's do it again. I want to do it again.
Okay,
Again. Let's do it again.
so this turned into a hot mess. Okay, so
Goodbye.
we just played around with the textures and everything until we found it how we like it. We like it super icky and just sticky and just look at this. You know, stretchy. So
Get this.
please try this. You can do,
Look at this. Look at how fun it
even if you
looks.
don't end
Hey,
up,
Stop sticking your arm to mine.
and even if you don't do this recipe, just have fun. Oh, and make slime. So,
That's what you did to me.
so in the background there is a hidden
My
pink little copy bird in the background. Don't look at it. And please comment down below where and if you have seen it. Comment, give a big thumbs up, subscribe, like. Please keep watching Fun with Navies.
And please give it a thumbs up.
And thank you for watching Fun with Navy.
With a bubble of slime.
Okay, now it's time to clean up. You will also be needing a spatula. Spatula. Oh, I got it like hey, this video is basically about being messy. I need to get all the slime. Hey! Seriously, Dax.